wouldn't say that's a success. Like, mess. Yeah, a success, but mess. I'm trying to cover it. And that's how you make a cake. Simple little cake. If you enjoyed this video, don't want to see more, or like and subscribe, I'm going to come back for more videos. Welcome to Seeds Milk. Today we're going to be making a cake. First you're going to add in your cake mix. You're going to want to add in a whole cup of milk. Then you're going to add one third cup of butter. Cup of butter, that's right. Now we're going to add in 4 eggs. And make sure while hiding your eggs, there's no eggshells in there before you add them to your cake mix. Now I got an eggshell here. And make sure you wash your hands before baking. Very important. Are you having problems? This isn't having problems. The eggshell. I got it. Final egg. Now we'll add in the eggs. Now we're gonna go mix. After you clean up this. Okay, after making a mess at the table, we're now gonna make a mess over here. So we're gonna turn this on to low first, and then we're gonna go to high, so you don't make power go flying all over the place. This process will take a while. Okay, we just finished mixing our batter, and here it is. Now we're gonna pour it into a pan, and we're gonna spray it first. Now pour it. Work. One big bag. Waving over this. Okay. Now mix it. I'm doing more work right there. I feel like a painting right now.
around your pan too, that way it cooks evenly. You made a mess on the table. Okay, now we're gonna go put it in the oven at 375 degrees, and we're gonna leave it in there for 20 to 30 minutes, or until you can stick a toothpick in there and it comes up clean.
Okay, now that our cake is done baking, we're now going to put some frosting on top of it.
You can use whatever frosting you would like. We have frosting we got.
Rainbow chip frosting. Go with our rainbow cake. There we go.
You got it.
No, I don't got it. The cake looks to run with it. This requires patience that I don't have. I ain't a professional cake froster.
Because we beat the cake.
That's being cake. Put some pressure on it. Smear it out. Learn how to do it. You're one to talk. Try your best not to eat all the frosting before you finish frosting the cake.
That's usually what you do.
Alright, I'm gonna say that's a success. Like, mess. Success and mess. Okay, now the cake is done, and these two are now gonna try it.
God help us.
It's nice and moist. They're good to flip on the cake.
Tastes like a cake.
They need a little more help learning how to ice them, but other than that, the cake's good. It's nice and moist like it should be, and rich. So doing the little bakery tip did help.
Where's my ice cream?
Okay, ice cream.
Josie, you gotta go to the store and get ice cream.
I'm filming.
You're gonna give me ice cream.
No.
I need some ice cream.
I agree with you. You need ice cream.
You
get it.
You need to finish. Yeah, go finish. Okay, like, subscribe, and we'll see if we can get these knuckleheads to do something else later on. Thanks for watching.